In a new NRA case at the Supreme Court, Justice Clarence Thomas gets some help from a buddy, conservative Brett Kavanaugh. It is the Supreme Court on Monday decided to take up a major National Rifle Association, NRA, backed lawsuit that challenges a New York law restricting an individual from carrying a concealed handgun in public. But hold on, this is at the Epoch Times. This was because of Brett Kavanaugh. But Clarence Thomas has already called out the Supreme Court on this one. Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, considered possibly the most conservative justice, wrote several years ago that courts have engaged in a, quote, general failure to afford the Second Amendment the respect due an enumerated constitutional right. Going further, he wrote, if a lower court treated another right so cavalierly, I have little doubt that this court would intervene. The Second Amendment is a disfavored right in this court. What exactly does Clarence Thomas mean by that? He means that it's an enumerated right. It is number 2. It is the Second Amendment. Right after speech is your right to bear arms. So imagine if a lower court, let's say, was stopping free speech or stopping the invented right to privacy, and you know all of the laws that fall under that. It would create great hysteria on the left if some of their favorite enumerated rights were undermined by lower courts. And yet, this court, he's saying, has been kind of cavalier about the Second Amendment, that it is a disfavored right, and it's showing in their bias, so these judges are not doing their job. But not Kavanaugh. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, after the court dismissed a gun case last term, wrote in early 2020 he hopes the court will take up a Second Amendment-related challenge in the near future, writing, the court should address this issue soon. Perhaps one of the several Second Amendment cases with petitions for certiorari now pending before the court. On Monday, the NRA praised the court for taking up the legal challenge, describing it as a case that challenges New York's restrictive concealed carry license regime, noting that it sets up the stage for the Supreme Court to affirm what most states already hold as true, that there is an individual right to self-defense outside of the home. I've heard Kavanaugh catch some flack for some of his wrong choices he's made in the past, but he is not a sellout and he is not compromised. At least on the Second Amendment, he appears to be the second most conservative justice on the Supreme Court.